So this is how you can unblock numbers on your Android phone. So let me guide you through it, and if it's your first time on this channel on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So at first we're going to navigate to the phone app on our device like this, where the regular stuff like the dial pad, the recents and contacts, everything can be accessed right here. But in the top right corner, we also have the three dots for more options, and one of them is the settings one. And in there, once it loads up, we have some filtering and blocking features. The first one literally on the list is to block the numbers like this. So we have the ability to block calls from unknown numbers and block spam calls and the caller ID protection. So these are the options which are definitely valuable. But also below we have the section for manual adding of numbers to block, right? So if I tap on it like this, I can type in a phone number and tap the plus button like this, and it's going to add it to the blocked list. And if you want to unblock the numbers, you have them listed below, and all you have to do is to tap on the minus icon next to it. So let's say I don't want to block the first one anymore. I tap on the minus, and you can see that you can now receive calls and messages from that number as it's not on the blocked list anymore. So that is the way you can do it on this Android as well as on many others. So I would really love to hear your feedback below. I try to go straight to the topic when I record my videos, and if you like this stuff and this approach, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.